Well, hello there. Here we are in the lounge. So I'm just going to swivel you round and then you'll be able to see something. Yes, I think this is a lot of gardeners' lounge at the moment. So here we are. Black Beauty courgette. There and there. And then this one, or these four, 1, 2, 3, 4, they are gherkins. And then here we have telegraph cucumbers. Some of these will need potting up soon. That's a tray of marigolds. Yes, they're doing all right. And then here we have mascota tomatoes. I don't know. These were a present from my sister seed packet, but so it's foreign, so I don't know whether mascota is the actual tomato or whether it's the company that sells them. But Marman tomato there, Gardener's Delight, Roma VF, got a little casualty there, but that's not a biggie. And then over here we've got butternut squash. So one's already come through, another one is just poking its head. And some more tomatoes. Saint Pierre, Moneymaker, another Marmande, beefsteak one there. Got iceberg lettuce in there. And those are my other half's pansies that she's trying to grow. So yeah, so there you go. That's the state of the window sill in the lounge at the minute. Oh, hello there guys, here we are down at the allotment, and this is my Shed Wars update. I've got any triple outside to show you. As you may hear, it's quite windy down here. The plastic greenhouse is taking a bit of a battering, but we do have some things to show you in the greenhouse. So start at the top here. We have some Kelvedon Wonder peas. They're a dwarf variety, so they won't get very tall, about 3 feet they get at the most. And here we have some Caraflex cabbage. There's only 3 of those have come through. Now I've put them in a bit early. So, and along here we have Olorosa lettuce, and we've got 2 all year round cauliflower there, and 2 Balmain lettuce there. Now the cabbage and the lettuce, pretty poor show on those at the moment. At the back here, these are 2 different types of flower. So these on this side are, I don't know if you can see that, can't read it myself, it's got something on there. And then up the other end up here. Sorry about the camera angle, but it's just oh, we have the Cosmos Gazebo White. That's them. Coming on down here, I can actually get this one out because it's a bit more of a solid tray. We have swede growing in here. It's just starting to sprout, as you can see. Can't remember what swede are called in other parts of the world at the minute. And at the back there we have some kohlrabi. They're doing well. It looks to have one casualty there. Some flower seeds there. And then here got 4 Brussels sprout plants. And then on this one is Savoy cabbages. So they're doing all right. And then here, as you can see, golden acre cabbage in there, golden acre cabbage in there. At the back of that is all year round cauliflower. That's them. And then coming on down here, we have lettuce in that one. I forgot to label it, so let's just hope it is lettuce and my memory serves me right. My own fault. Should have labelled it, labelled everything else. And then here, as I say, I'm sorry about the camera angles, but we just have a purple sprouting broccoli coming up. Another one there. And then right at the bottom here, we have a mint plant and 1 parsley plant. That'll do for me on the mint and the parsley anyway. Other than that, there isn't a lot more to show. We've got some dwarf rock and core yellow beans. They're doing well. And then in this one is dwarf borlotti beans. But oh, there we are, look. Sometimes just a little scrape back of the soil, you can see that they've started as well. So yes. So I figure that the next week or so I'm going to be making up frames and wigwams, maybe teepees, because neither of these get very tall, so you don't need a big structure, just something to support the plants by about 3 feet. So, and that's my update for the allotment as far as in the greenhouse goes. Okay then guys, well, I'll catch you again, and hope you all have a wonderful day and enjoy whatever it is you are doing. Bye for now.